Alright guys, welcome back. And as I said earlier, I'm literally going to be talking about support and resistance. Support and resistance also mean area of interest, that is where you literally want to be buying or you literally want to be selling. And what I mean by support is literally what that supports something. At the same time, when I mean by resistance, it means something that resists. And note that support can literally turn to resistance and resistance can literally turn to support. So let's start with when we're dealing with a support, where we actually need support in the market. So you literally have to apply this to your strategy because it's literally going to help you. In the support, you literally want to be buying. You literally want to buy from the support. Let's say the market is bullish. In this scenario, is bullish, creating highs, lows, higher high. As a trader, for you to join the trend, you literally have to wait for the market to retrace back to a level of support before you look for entry and buy. What I mean is that when market is bullish, creating highs and lows, and you have literally not watched any video concerning market structure, I make that, so make sure you go watch and learn better. So when it comes to support, you literally want to buy from the support of the market, where market is probably going to retrace to have a little pullback before it has its next push to the upside. And when we're talking about resistance, we learn is also an area of interest, right? So you literally have to, that's going to be if the market is trending downward, creating lower highs, lower at this lower high, that is literally when you want to be entering the market. And at the same time, this lower is not just any random place or area in the market. It's literally the previous level of resistance. This is where the market literally broke and it has to retest it before having its next push. So this is the support and resistance. This is the area referring to as support and resistance. It's literally the place where you literally want to be buying or you literally want to be selling in the market. In a bullish scenario, you literally want to be buying. That is when market is bullish, creating highs and creating higher highs. You literally have to do with higher highs in an uptrend, and in a downtrend you literally want to be dealing with the lower lows. So the area of interest or support and resistance is the region or a particular point where you literally want to be buying or selling the market. So it's as easy as that. In the support, you literally want to wait for the market to retest to a zone where you want to be buying, and in a downtrend you literally have to wait for the market to retrace as well to the area in which you're going to be interested in selling the market. And guys, please, if you haven't watched video concerning market structure, make sure you go watch that right now. I've literally dropped it since about 1 hour, so go learn from this video.